Everyone, welcome to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known to be the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me because we are doing a transformation on one of the raised beds I have in the backyard garden. So let me go ahead and walk over there now and show you guys what's going down. Ultimate Gardeners, this is the area that's gonna be transformed today. This is the state of the garden. Yes, it has a lot of things to work on, but it's gonna be fixed. So starting off with this here, I have a few structural plants I'm planting here. I'm gonna go out today and buy some annuals so it could add a bit more color. And the colors I'm going with this year is yellow and pink, which is good. So these are all structural plantings that are perennials and that will stay in their place. So we have a petite rose from DUR Nursery. We have a Turk's cap pink hibiscus. This is considered a hibiscus family plant, but it's called Turk's cap pink. A yellow iris, cat whiskers, which is fun. This is a new one out I'm trying. A powder puff in a miniature form. We have the Disco Diva Hollywood hibiscus right here. Huge shout out to them. I'm gonna be leaving a link with my discount code everywhere down below so you guys can get one, as well as the Black Diamond lavender lace Black Diamond crepe myrtle. I think that's lavender lace or something like that. I'm gonna put up the official name up on the screen for you guys to check out. But I am adding whites, pinks, reds, yellows, oranges, and this one's a quite lavender color. So I really can't wait to see how this transformation comes out to be. So I'm gonna plant these here, and then we're gonna go ahead and skip on when I get the plants and then when we plant them. Ultimate Gardeners, I got back from plant shopping at Walmart. I got a pretty good haul today, so let me flip around the camera and show you. So this is everything I got. So we got some coleus, some celosia, some salvia, marigolds, polka dot plant, agapanthus, salvia, and all of these are gonna be incorporated into the new raised bed, or the bed like you would like to say. This agapanthus though, I might save it for another area because we don't really have enough space for it, because I want to fill in with these gorgeous stuff. So let me go ahead and place it all in the area I'm going to use it in, and then we'll discuss about planting. Look how beautiful these colors are coming along. We have the light green with the coleus, we have deep purple, we have the tinges of blue, hot pinks, oranges, blues, we have peach colors, we have whites, we have pinks, we have everything here. We have reds. Everything is coming along beautifully, and I really love how everything's coming along. And just watch, in a few months, in a few weeks, these will be enormous. So let me plant these up and we'll show you the product. Boom, and there it is. Everything has been planted. The sky is starting to dawn out, and so here's the little quick vision of everything. I really love how everything came out. I did apply some slow release fertilizer to the annuals, but to the perennials I haven't yet, because usually when they're newly planted they already have fertilizer with them if you buy them at a nursery and you're planting them out directly. So in about 2 months I'm gonna go ahead and fertilize everything again. So I really love how everything came out to be, and it was tiring, but I love and I achieved what I wanted to achieve. So let me go ahead and wrap this video up. Ultimate Gardeners, I am so sorry I look like an absolute mess. I'm sweaty, I'm tired, but that'll be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys found this video inspiring and informative, because they really do. All these plants are full sun loving plants. They require watering one time every 2 to 3 days because they're newly planted. Once they're more established, you can set that back to 3 or 4 days. Fertilizing is every 2 to 3 months based on the fertilizer you have, and pruning is only required to those plants that you would like to prune, especially the perennials. So thank you all so much for watching, and may God bless you and your family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.